Hello friends, welcome to Learn GK 247. So today in this video we discuss most important GK related to Indian polity and constitution. So let's start. Question 1. Which article tells the procedure for impeachment of president? Answer. Article 61. Which article deals with the election of the Vice President of India? Answer. Article 66. Who can remove the Vice President from his office? Answer. The Parliament. Who have the executive power of the Union is vested? Answer. The President. The pressure groups are? Answer. Organizations of universal character. Anti-defection law passed in which year? Answer. 1985. Supreme Court judges retire upon attaining the age of? Answer. 65 years. Total how many numbers of amendment in Indian Constitution? Answer. 105. Which is the largest union territory of India? Answer. Jammu and Kashmir. Total number of seats in the lower house of the parliament is? Answer. 543. When was the first session of Lok Sabha held? Answer. 13th May 1952. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer. G.V. Mavlankar. Total number of seats in the upper house of the parliament is? Answer. 245. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? Answer. Harilal Jekisundas Kania. Who was the longest serving Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer. Balram Jakar. How many sessions are held in a year in Lok Sabha? Answer. 3 sessions. Who was the first Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission of India? Answer. Gulzarilal Nanda. Total how many number of high courts in India? Answer. 25. Who was the only person who had defeated Indira Gandhi in Lok Sabha election 1977? Answer. Raj Narayan. Who holds the record of winning a Lok Sabha seat by the largest vote margin in India? Answer. Anil Basu. The President of India addressed his resignation letter to a? Answer. Vice President of India. Minimum age required to contest for presidency in India? Answer. 35 years. Who got the Bharat Ratna award before becoming the President of India? Answer. Dr. Zakir Hussain. How many members of Anglo-Indian community can be nominated by President to Parliament? Answer. 2 members. How many seats have been reserved for Union territories in Lok Sabha? Answer. 20. What is the maximum gap between 2 sessions of Parliament? Answer. 6 months. Total number of fundamental duties in the Indian constitutions are? Answer. 11. Which Indian president was elected unopposed? Answer. Neelam Sanjiva Reddy. Who is the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The chairman and member of the Union Public Service Commission hold office for a term of how many years? Answer. 6 years. Indira Gandhi was appointed as which minister in Lal Bahadur Shastri's cabinet? Answer. Information and Broadcasting Minister. When was the first electronic voting machine EVM used? Answer 1982 in Kerala. Which municipal corporation was first set up in India? Answer Chennai. Nagarpalika Bill was first introduced in Parliament during the Prime Ministership of? Answer Rajiv Gandhi. Which is the oldest High Court in India? Answer the Calcutta High Court. Which High Court has the largest jurisdiction in terms of states? Answer Guwahati High Court. The second largest judicial complex in the world? Answer Madras High Court. Which is the article that provides special status to Jammu and Kashmir? Answer Article 370. The member of the State Public Service Commission are appointed by the? Answer Governor. Panchashil Treaty was signed between India and China in which year? Answer 1954. Who coined the term non-alignment? Answer Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Where is the headquarters of SAARC is located? Answer Kathmandu in Nepal. Who present the joint session of Parliament? Answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which is the first state to be formed on the basis of language? Answer Andhra Pradesh. The Union Public Service Commission of India has been established under which article? Answer Article 315. When the National Human Rights Commission is formed? Answer 12 October 1993. The maximum number of Public Accounts Committee PAC can be? Answer 22. Who appoints the chairman of Public Accounts Committee? Answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. A money bill in the Parliament can be introduced with the recommendation of? Answer the President. Who can be the chairperson of National Human Rights Commission? Answer Chief Justice of Supreme Court. So friends, thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.